to uninstall a program in Windows 11, first open Settings. Then on the left side, click on Apps. Again, click on Apps and Features. Now, you will find a list of all the installed programs here. To remove the program you want, just click on the three-dot menu on the right side of the app. And now click on Uninstall from the list. Then again, click on Install. Now the uninstaller for the program will launch. Just click on Next and follow the instruction. And you will be able to remove the program. Again, I will remove another program. The process is same. And there you go. You have learned how to remove an app from Windows 11. And that's it for this video. Goodbye, have a great day.